Hey guys, we received this RIVBOS Polarized sunglasses UV400 for test and try. So this is a great protection from sunlight and can be used for any outdoor activities. So this is the model RB832. This comes in a really nice box or the carry box with this clip and this is the zipper. So it's a high quality box that protects the sunglasses, and let me just open up this. So it's a very nice sunglasses, the sporty look with a unique spring design with the extreme flexibility and then set. So these are soft ones, and this comes with this some accessories like this clip or the neck thread and then a microfiber cloth to clean and everything. So this is a really nice design and a unique closing design with the clip. And you can see the polarized glasses test. Um, you can see the whole picture here, and then without the glasses, you cannot see it. So these are the polarized glasses. That's really nice with this nose pad and comfortable thing. You can also store in this carry bag, like the soft cloth bag, and then um, you can store in the main box. So this is a really protective and nice polarized sunglasses. So this fits really well from the side, as you can see, and on the nose.